not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Who is the first Hindu woman judge to be appointed as civil judge in Pakistan? Leela Banerjee, Suman Kumari, Roma Tolani or Shakti Advani? The answer is B. Suman Kumari is the first Hindu woman judge to be appointed as a civil judge in Pakistan. Suman Kumari is from Sindh province. She passed her LLB examination from Hyderabad and did her masters in law from Karachi's university. And one more important person you need to remember is Rana Bhagwan Das. He was the Pakistan's first judge from Hindu community. The resting place of Mahatma Gandhi is known as Rajghat, Shakti Sthal, Vijay Ghat, Veer Bhumi. The answer is A. Rajghat. The resting place of Mahatma Gandhi is known as Rajghat. Very important from exam point of view, as this question has been asked previously many times. Shakti Sthal is the resting place of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and Vijay Ghat is a memorial of Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Veer Bhumi is the memorial of Rajiv Gandhi. So remember all these points are very important. Jan 30th is marked as Martyrs' Day in India. The date was chosen as it marks the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in the year 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Now on this day, the President, Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister and the three service chiefs, Army, Navy and Air Force, gather at the Samadhi at Rajghat Memorial and lay wreaths decorated with multicolour flowers. Which of the following country to host ICC Men's T20 World Cup in 2020? India, United Arab Emirates, Australia, South Africa. Answer is C. Australia. Australia to host ICC Men's T20 World Cup in the year 2020. Now, recently, ICC has released the schedules of the T20 World Cup. Men's T20 will take place from 18th of October to 15th of November 2020, and India will take on South Africa in the opening match, which will take place in Perth of Australia on October 21st, 2020. And the Women's T20 World Cup will be from Feb 21st to March 8th, 2020. And the finale of the Women's T20 World Cup will be on March 8th, that is International Women's Day. Where was the largest recorded outbreak of Zika virus in India seen in the recent past? Punjab and Delhi, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The answer is C. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. These two states saw the largest recorded outbreak of Zika virus in India. A new study has been published in journal titled as Infection Genetics and Evolution, which is authored by the National Institute of Virology in Pune. Remember this point, very important, previously asked, where is the National Institute of Virology? Now earlier, Health Ministry said that Brazilian-like strain had entered India when the outbreak of Zika virus is seen in Rajasthan. But a crucial contradiction made by the National Institute of Virology papers. Now NIV says that Rajasthan Zika strain is endemic to Asia and the virus has been in Asia for at least 50 years, not closely related to the Brazilian one. So remember this point again, Zika virus is transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito bite, previously asked in many exams, very important. National Clean Air Program included how many cities to reduce particulate matter pollution by 2024? 100 cities, 101 cities, 102 cities or 104 cities? The answer is C, 102 cities. We have discussed already regarding National Clean Air Program. The National Clean Air Program was launched by the government earlier this month, and it is a 300 crore initiative to reduce the particulate matter pollution by 20 to 30% in 102 cities by the end of 2024. 139 Indian cities that breach air pollution standards not included in the National Clean Air Program. This is a report given by Greenpeace India. The report has been titled as Airpocalypse 3, which analyzes air pollution data of 313 cities and towns for the year 2017. Now, of these 313 cities, 241 had particulate matter 10 levels beyond the national ambient air quality standards, while 102 cities were included in the National Clean Air Program. Of this 241, remaining 139 cities were left out. So this is a report given by the Greenpeace India. It suggests the 139 Indian cities to be included in the National Clean Air Program. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will travel to which of the following city in February to receive an award from an NGO? Tokyo, Seoul, Beijing, London. The answer is B, Seoul. Prime Minister Modi will travel to Seoul in February to receive an award from an NGO. Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. In October 2018, the Seoul Peace Prize Cultural Foundation announced that it would award Prime Minister Modi with its annual Peace Prize. Now, this will be the second visit to Seoul for Prime Minister Modi after May 2015. George Fernandes passed away at the age of 88. Held which of the following portfolios in the government? Former Defence Minister, former Sports Minister, former Education Minister, or was he the former Finance Minister? The answer is A, former Defence Minister. George Matthew Fernandes was an Indian trade unionist, politician, journalist, and a member of Rajya Sabha from Bihar. During his tenure as Minister for Industry, he ordered American nationalist IBM and Coca-Cola to leave the country due to investment violations. He was the driving force behind the Konkan Railway project during his tenure as Railway Minister from 1989 to 1990. And he, as a Defence Minister, visited the highest battlefield in the world, Siachen, a record number of 18 times. And he is also the founder of Samata Party. So remember all these important points regarding George Matthew Fernandes. Which is the first state to introduce the institution of Lokayukta? West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, or Gujarat? The answer is C, Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the first state to introduce the institution of Lokayukta through the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta Act in 1971. Remember the year previously asked, very important. Recently, Maharashtra brings Chief Minister office under the jurisdiction of the Lokayukta. Now, Lokayukta is an anti-corruption ombudsman organization in the states which mainly helps people publicize corruption among the politicians and the government officials. Now, Anna Hazare welcomed the state government's decision to include Chief Minister's office under the ambit of Lokayukta. However, the move will be applicable only after the act gets passed in the state legislature. Question for the day. Vladimir Kramnik is a Russian professional announced retirement from which of the following sport? Squash, chess, boxing, or wrestling? The former world champion in this sport and a grandmaster. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. 325 children rescued under which of the following operation carried out in Hyderabad in Jan 2019? Operation Children, Operation Smile, Operation Star, or Operation Gunj? The answer is B, Operation Smile, as rightly answered by Gopinath Nayak, Banot and Indravadan Solanki. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Operation Smile and Operation Muskan. It is a dedicated search and rescue mission to trace the missing children and reunite them with the family. Operation Smile is a month-long program, starts in January every year, and Operation Muskan comes into effect in July after the conclusion of Operation Smile. So remember these points, very important. Quote for the day: people with great passion can make the impossible happen. So if you work with passion and dedication, nothing is impossible in this world. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.